I'm Emily and welcome back to my channel. I have another fun Christmas craft for you. In my previous video, I showed you how to make gingerbread houses, but in today's video, I want to show you how you could DIY your own glitter ornaments. And then I'm just going to personalize one with my last initial. It's very simple, very easy, and it makes a really great gift for your friends and family around the holidays. Something nice and personalized and something that they could use and admire every single year. So if that's something you're interested in, just stick around and we're going to get started. Here are the supplies that you're going to need for this project. You need a few clear ornaments. The ones that I'm using are plastic. You need some glitter, preferably fine glitter. Fine glitter just coats everything more easily and you'll get like a more even finish. Some thin ribbon, polyacrylic varnish, metallic acrylic paint, a paintbrush, and a funnel for the glitter. You don't need the acrylic paint if you're not going to paint the top part of the ornament. I just wanted the top part to be gold, so that's why I bought the paint. So first step, I'm painting all the tops to the ornaments. I wound up having to do maybe like 3 or 4 coats to really get it covered. So I'm doing my first coat and then I'm setting that aside so they could dry. I'm taking this polyacrylic gloss varnish and just pouring it directly into the ornament. And I'm swirling it around, and as I'm swirling it around, I'm trying to make sure that it is nice and evenly coated. Don't want to leave any gaps or areas that aren't coated with the varnish because the glitter won't stick to it. So I'm really just taking my time here, and then once it's pretty well coated, I'm just dumping the excess out into a garbage can. And this is what it looks like when it's all ready. It looks almost like iridescent. So next step, I'm taking a funnel and funneling in some glitter. And same thing, I'm just swirling it around, making sure that it is evenly coated. And again, once I have the glitter all coated on the ornament, I'm just dumping the excess out in a garbage. And I'm repeating these same steps with gold glitter, and also I did a white glitter. And I set those ornaments aside so they could dry, and while those are drying, I'm going to apply another coat of the gold acrylic paint. So once everything is completely dry, you just attach the top back into the ornament. And honestly, you could leave it here if you want, but I want to add a vinyl initial to 2 of my ornaments. So I'm going into design space and adding a text box. My last initial is M, so I have an M here, and I'm just scrolling until I find a font that I want to use. I like this font called Be Lights, so I'm going to stick with that. I do want to make it a little bit bigger and also a little bit thicker. So I'm going to click on my M, go up to offset, and I'm offsetting it 0.004. Uniting both of those. And then once I united that, I thought it needed to be a little bit thicker. So I'm repeating the process and offsetting it 0.008, uniting that together. And I like the way that looks. So I'm gonna duplicate it and change the colors to gold and white to make it easier for me when I'm arranging the vinyl on my mat. For the white vinyl, I tend to use the vinyl setting with less pressure when I'm working with more delicate fonts. So I'm gonna cut that first, and then for the gold vinyl, I have to change it to washi sheet, and I'm just leaving that at default pressure. Here I am just cutting out sections of the vinyl and placing them onto my mat. The gold vinyl cuts the best when it is like absolutely flat on the mat, so I really have to scrape that down and make sure that it's really stuck on there. Also, I would love to know, anyone who has a Cricut maker, did your lid just like stop working? Like, I have no idea what happened. All of a sudden, the lid like would not stay up. No matter what I've done, I can't get it to stay up. So it just like falls down on its own, and it's the most infuriating thing. I don't know how to fix it. So now they're both cut out. I'm gonna weed out both of the M's. And also, quick tip, if you're having difficulty applying vinyl to a circular object like an ornament, you cut slits on the sides of your transfer tape, and it's gonna help it just like bend and shape a little bit better to the circular object. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just sticking it right on the ornament. Scraping it with my scraper tool. and it's all done. I added that second M off camera to another ornament, so now they're all done and they're ready for ribbon. I really like tying bows on top of my ornaments, but that's just like a personal preference. I think it looks cute. And here I have all three of them finished and ready to hang on my tree. I would love to know which color is your favorite. And also, if you are going to be trying this project this year, I would love to know and love to see pictures of all the beautiful ornaments that you make. Thank you so much for watching my video. It really means a lot to me. I've been slacking a little bit. I have a whole list of YouTube videos that I want to make. I've really been prioritizing my Etsy shop between fulfilling orders and also coming up with new designs and stuff to release around the holidays. It's just been a little bit busy. Sorry, usually I would like to create more content and post more YouTube videos, but honestly, that had to go to the wayside for a little bit. So I don't know how often I'm gonna be uploading, but I'm gonna try my best to be a little bit more on top of it. But if you wanna check out what I've been doing behind the scenes or my other short form content where I show orders, I show quick DIYs, tutorials, tips, stuff like that, you can check out my other socials, which are linked in the description. If you wanna see more crafting content from me, just subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll get notified when I post new videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!